RORK AI App Review Full Guide. I'm going to tell you what RORK AI is and how it works as an app builder. RORK AI turns your plain English ideas into real apps for iOS, Android, and web. No coding needed. You just type what you want, like a food delivery app with user logins and tracking feature. And RORK generates the code using React Native under the hood. It handles the back end, layout, and basic logic so you can focus on refining features and design. The UI is clean, beginner friendly, and fast, though it's still in early stages, so some outputs may need tweaking. It's ideal for founders or designers who want a quick app without learning to code, for speed, simplicity, and concept to prototype builds. RORK is shaping up to be one of the strongest AI powered app builders out there.